The mortgage word of the week is credit report. Your credit report is just more than your FICO score or your credit score. We actually use three scores when you're looking at your credit report. You need to know what your scores are. People don't realize you have different scores for each different type of credit that you apply for. You have a mortgage report credit score, which is most likely going to be lower than your consumer report credit scores, which are usually Vantage scores. You have a car credit score. You even have a credit card credit score. So the thing is, you want to always be monitoring your credit. You should have an idea of what your credit looks like. So if you're thinking about buying a home, you're like, I have no idea what my credit score looks like, I haven't looked at my credit report, that's a problem. So you want to get on that first and just see where you are as far as your credit report. The other things that you want to do is to make sure that you're looking at all three credit scores. Like if you have a bank app or something like that, they'll send you one credit score, based on their thing, a credit, based on their criteria. Credit card companies will do the same thing, but you want to know what your scores are. And more than just your scores, you need to know what type of credit that you have on your credit report. So the type of credit that you have matters, the length of your credit matters. So you could have one trade line and that may not qualify you to purchase a home. A lot of times you want to have at least three trade lines, something that's at least over 2 years old, at least one installment account, and a couple of revolving trade lines. You can purchase a home with no credit score. You'd have to have a lot of alternative credit. That's a whole nother conversation. But you do want to know what's on your credit report. You want to also look at your credit score to make sure there's no inaccuracies before you get into the mortgage loan process. You don't want to try to dispute things while you're trying to purchase a home. It downgrades your file to a manual underwrite. It's not a good thing. So again, the mortgage word of today is credit report, and it's more than just your scores. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, 404-461-3172, or hit me at reggieloans.com.